I have made proposal with government Nepal that as we do industrial district, industrial, we call Audyogik Kshetra, Hitoda Audyogik Kshetra, Balaju Audyogik Kshetra. So I had made a proposal that we should make some a spiritual area, a spiritual kshetra, a spiritual area. In Nepal there are so many beautiful places like Rara Lake, Chisapani, then Devghat. Recently we have been to Triveni Ghat. There are many places like that which can become the Haridwar or Rishikesh of the world. The place has got the potential. Only it needs infrastructure and also advertisement. Also needs the marketing. If marketing is done, this place can become that. Rishikesh and Haridwar has become a world capital for yoga. 50% of Indian tourists who come to India, they come for a spiritual purpose. 50% of tourists. 50% come to see Taj Mahal or Khajuraho, but 50% of tourists who come to India, they come for a spiritual purpose. And most of them visit Haridwar and Rishikesh. So it is becoming a yoga capital of the world, slowly. It is not done in one day. I have seen the progress in last 50 years. I am going to Rishikesh Haridwar since last 50 years. And in the 50 years, it has become a world hub and people from all over the world have started coming. So I propose that we should make also Audyogik Kshetra, a spiritual Kshetra. Like industrial area, so spiritual area. So Devghat and the name place I have named. So if like industrial area, what they do, the government purchase the land, they develop the land, and they give land on cheaper price or on rental to different industry, and they do the infrastructure like electricity. I have designed few industrial district during my engineering practice. I have done some industrial district design of industrial district, industrial area. So what the government does, government plot, buy the land, they develop the infrastructure, then it becomes easy for industry to establish their industry because land is otherwise land becomes very expensive. So they get land on very cheap price, either on rent or on lease. So similarly, I proposed to after designing some industrial area, the idea came to me that the place like Devghat and other places I have named, they can become a Haridwar of Nepal, a Rishikesh of Nepal. So government should promote that area as a spiritual kshetra. So the government should do the infrastructure and allow all the religious masters to establish their yoga center or meditation center. So suppose it happens in some place like Devghat or Rada or Chisapani or Triveni Ghat, if we have the places are as potential as Haridwar and Rishikesh. When Haridwar and Rishikesh attracts millions of tourists in India, why not in Nepal? It can attract. And this is a new concept. Everybody was surprised that nobody has given this concept. I said that it is not my concept, it is a divine concept. But
Lumbini, we have Lumbini.
Lumbini we have. No, yes. So if we make a spiritual area, government should purchase the land, government should do the infrastructure like electricity and water supply, as we do in the industrial area, and they allot the land for different religious group. We can invite religious masters from all over the world. They can establish their ashram. Indirectly, it will attract millions of tourists from the world. And then the big number of people will be doing meditation. The whole area economy will change. It will also have effect So that I will also mention here that we should develop the spiritual zones in Nepal. Few spiritual zones, then it can become like Haridwar and Rishikesh. In Haridwar and Rishikesh, you go to any season, you will find lakhs of tourists. Lakhs, not in thousands, in lakhs of tourists. And there are number of ashram. I am going there for since 50 years. I have seen the numbers of ashram and 3-4 meditation university has started. 4 meditation university has started. So much change I have seen in Haridwar and Rishikesh in last 50 years. So it can happen in Nepal also. So that's also one of proposal that we should make spiritual centers, a spiritual area, a spiritual district, whatever you call it. No? And we should, without any discrimination, we should allow people from all meditation groups. They can start their ashram, they can start their yoga center. Like in Rishikesh, you go, hundreds of yoga center you will find, hundreds of center of meditation. No? So that way, tourism, we also attract many millions tourists and good tourists, spiritual tourists, not druggists, but spiritual tourists. No? And also that will enhance the economical activity in that area. When tourism comes, one tourist gives indirectly employment to 9 persons. So if we can attract tourists, that can give you employment also to a lot of people. So that's my idea. But it takes time to convince people. But we should not be afraid that whether people are listening or not. It is not my concern. My concern is that I should create the awareness as much as I can. Even if it is not materialized today, it will materialize tomorrow.